In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage sales forecasts in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to optimize your forecasting process, this step-by-step guide will help you set up and manage your sales forecasts with ease. First, let's navigate to the right section in HubSpot. Open your HubSpot dashboard and direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here, you'll find the Sales tab. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Forecast. This is where all your forecasting magic will happen. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with this section is crucial, as it will be your go-to place for tracking and managing your sales predictions. Once you're in the forecast section, the next step is to click on Create Goal. This button is typically located on the upper right side of your screen. By clicking it, you're initiating the process of setting up a sales forecast. HubSpot offers several templates to help streamline this process, and for our purposes, we're going to select the Forecastable Revenue template. This template is designed to help you predict future revenue based on your current sales data, making it an excellent choice for accurate forecasting. After selecting the template, you'll need to assign contributors to your forecast. Contributors are essentially team members who will be responsible for meeting the sales goals you set. To do this, look for the option to add contributors within the forecasting tool. You can assign individual team members or entire teams, depending on your organizational structure. By assigning the right contributors, you're ensuring accountability and clarity in your sales process. It's important to choose individuals who are directly involved in sales activities, as their input will be critical for accurate forecasting. As you go through these steps, consider the data you already have. HubSpot allows you to pull in historical sales data to inform your forecasts. This can be extremely beneficial as it provides a solid foundation and context for your predictions. Utilizing past data helps in identifying trends and patterns, which can lead to more accurate forecasts. Remember to regularly revisit and update your forecasts. Sales environments can change rapidly, and your forecast should be flexible enough to adapt to these changes. HubSpot's forecasting tools are designed to be dynamic, allowing you to adjust as needed. Setting a schedule for regular review and adjustment of your forecast can help keep your sales strategy aligned with reality. Lastly, communication with your team is key. Once you've set up your forecasts, make sure to discuss them with your team. This ensures everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Regular meetings to review forecasts and discuss progress can significantly enhance your team's performance and forecasting accuracy. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully set up sales forecasts in HubSpot. With these forecasts in place, you can make informed decisions that drive your sales strategy forward. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful HubSpot tips.